This video introduces you to the Acute, Chronic Workload Ratio feature on Garmin watches. Acute, Chronic Workload Ratio is a new metric in the Training Status widget. It allows users to see the difference between their short-term, acute, and long-term, chronic, training load, which can be used as a reference for planning training and avoiding overexertion. If you are not familiar with the meaning of training load in Garmin watches, please refer to this video first. From the watch face, scroll down to enter the glance menu. Find and enter Training Status. Scroll down and enter Acute Load. You will see the Load Ratio. Acute load is your training load accumulated over the past week. Chronic load is your training load accumulated over the past 4 weeks. The acute load divided by the chronic load will be the metric displayed on this page. You need to train with the watch for at least 2 weeks before the watch will display your acute, chronic workload ratio. Keep training with your watch will help to get a more accurate measurement. Generally, the higher the acute, chronic workload ratio, the more fatigued your body is, and the higher the risk of training injuries. A load ratio between 0.8 to 1.3 indicates your body is in a well-prepared state. A ratio above 1.5 indicates you are at a higher risk of getting injured. By observing the acute, chronic workload ratio, load focus, recovery time and other physiological metrics on Garmin watches, you can better understand your preparation status and plan your training intensity. Please keep your watch updated to make sure it supports the latest features. For more training metrics details, please go to the Support Center on the Garmin official website.